Hey everyone, it's your go-to guide on making smart money moves in real estate. And today I'm diving into one of the most intriguing ways to build wealth: land investments. Trust me, if done right, you could literally make money while you sleep. Let's get into it. So, why land? Unlike residential or commercial properties, land is a low-maintenance investment that doesn't require dealing with tenants, renovations, or even utilities. It's pure, unadulterated real estate that appreciates over time. First off, let's talk location. The golden rule in real estate: location, location, location. Investing in a piece of land in the path of development can be a game changer. Imagine buying a plot today in what becomes tomorrow's hottest new district. That's not just luck, it's strategic foresight. Now, on to zoning laws. Understanding the zoning requirements of a piece of land can significantly impact its value. Is it zoned for residential, commercial, or agricultural use? Each brings its own set of opportunities and constraints. By knowing this, you can tailor your investment strategy to maximize returns. Let's not forget about leasing. If you're not ready to sell your land, consider leasing it. This can be a phenomenal source of passive income. Farmers, solar companies, and even large corporations might be interested in renting your land for their operations. This means steady cash flow for you without the headache of daily management. Also, consider the long term. Land banking, where you buy and hold land as a long-term investment, capitalizes on natural appreciation. As urban areas expand, land becomes scarcer and more valuable. It's a waiting game, but patience can pay off big time. Lastly, let's touch on the risks. Like any investment, land isn't without its risks. Market fluctuations, zoning law changes, and unforeseen environmental issues can all play a part. However, with thorough research and strategic planning, the potential rewards can far outweigh these risks. In conclusion, investing in land offers a unique opportunity to generate passive income and build substantial wealth over time. Whether through strategic purchases in developing areas, savvy zoning awareness, or lucrative leasing deals, the possibilities are vast. So why not start exploring this avenue and see where it could take your investment portfolio? Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. Happy investing. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insights on making your money work for you. Until next time, keep investing smart.